Rob here from Its Dyer. Just got back from vacation, as you may or may not have known if you were following any of my previous videos, the one on the Red Rock Canyon. And just prior to that one, I did have another video where I was kind of showing you the inside of the box for the MT09. Today is actually, I'm going to uncrate my bike here, so you are going to follow along with me. Unfortunately, I'm all alone here, so I don't have a camera crew group here that's going to help me out. Let's do the best we can, and again, thank you very much for your support, and so on and so forth. So let's get her done, all right? So the first thing first, let's actually take this off, all right? Just getting back from vacation, so yeah. I need snips here so I can go around and kind of taking all of this off right here. And this series here, they went with the blue wheels. Not that I don't like the blue, but I am looking for something that's got a little bit more oomph to the style. 2018 MT09 wheels that have that high vis yellow. I think that would pop off really nice, kind of look really good. So let's keep this protected for now. Alright, well, my son was supposed to be here and he was supposed to help me because he was supposed to be the one kind of pointing the camera and kind of even uncrating this bike with me, but I guess he's too busy sleeping to be playing video games all night long. So right now, I'm just basically coming out and removing this whole crate apart. So bear with me, it's going to be a bit noisy, but I'll fast forward through that for you guys. Here, let's just remove this top here before an accident happens. This way. There we go. We're down. Good. All right, I'm not quite sure what happened here. Again, that was probably just the same thing as like last year when I did the unveiling of my 2018 MT09, where that was some audio issues where now the iPhone just kind of stopped recording on me. So I'm not sure how much we got recorded, but anyways, I can still kind of show you through the GoPro that I was having over there as a secondary camera. But anyways, the bike is done now, so I've completely assembled it. So hopefully you'll see some of the portions as I was talking you through the actual assembly. But the bike is done, and so let's take a quick look at it. Right now it is in its stock form. There's no accessories that have been installed onto it. That is the next thing that I will be doing throughout the winter here at Yamaha Motor Canada. Again, this is It's a Dyer Thing channel, so it is about my product and myself, not endorsed or sponsored by Yamaha or anything to do with Yamaha, so please keep that in mind. So here it is. This is the 2019 MT09 in the color blue, the first one here in Canada that was released to a consumer, which was myself. Luckily enough that I was at Yamaha, that I was able to be the first one to actually obtain it. A lot more accessories that are going to come on throughout the progress of the winter, so do stay tuned. I hope to have a video uploaded, at least one a week, just to kind of give you the rundown as to how to install an accessory and what the accessory is that I'm installing, and then I can kind of give you the feedback for that. So here it is, MT09 blue in the flesh, ready for the season of 2019. Absolutely beautiful color. that blue really pops. It is super, super nice. Like I said, a couple of things that I will be doing in regards to the decals and the color scheme itself. Yeah, so there we go. I really appreciate your assistance on that. Absolutely gorgeous bike. Sweet. So yeah, matching blue, or yeah, somewhat matching blue of the wheels and the tank. So it definitely looks good. It looks super clean as it is. We do have a few more accessories that are going to go onto it. That will make it pop a little bit more. So let's see here if we can kind of give you an idea real quick. The wheels, I want to swap the wheels out for the yellow wheels. I'm going to put the yellow MT09 decaling up there. We got this trim here that I would like to throw out, as well as a yellow decaling on that. We will have the shad seat. Absolutely, it's a big must, a for sure. I would not ride any other bike without a shad seat, so the shad seat is number one. Thinking about maybe swapping out the little bit of the back piece here, not completely removing it, just putting it into the smaller one. Definitely doing the flashers, because we don't like our dinosaur flashers anymore. That's a big no for me. I definitely don't like that. I will put the quick release, the quick shift. Quick shift on there. Swap out my bar to the XS9 bar, XS900. Make it black so it's cleaned up really nice. We'll put the sport shield on there. We've got the levers as well. A couple more little pieces. I'm not sure if we're going to put some trim pieces on. I definitely need to put the rad guard on there. Exhaust. I definitely would like to do an exhaust, but that's a pretty penny. So that's a serious chunk of change. I'm unsure as to what I'm going to do with that right now. So anyways, yeah, so stay tuned. As we progress, I will put some more, and at the same time kind of give you all kind of like a rundown on how things are done and what to do. So if you do have any questions, any comments in regards to how I do these accessories, feel free to jot them down, put them down in the bottom, and I will be able to answer your questions on the next video that I do when I do an upload for the next sort of accessories. I do respond to all of my videos, so do keep that in mind as well. And other than that, thank you very much for all your support, and stay tuned, and keep safe, guys. Cheers. Bye.